Well, it's a new day. It's been a while since I made a video. I don't know how long the battery's gonna last, but I'm on the skid. It's windy. Gotta do some welding. Try to get it done before this rain comes down. But anyway, so this show you what we got here. This bucket here, all of our attachments are starting to come really loose, so by the time you get up in here on this bottom side here, you got about a 1/4 inch gap. So we're going to weld a 1 inch by 1/4 inch thick plate right here, something like that. It'll I made some test pieces yesterday, tried it out, and that's might be a little tight. We might have to grind it a little bit thinner, but it'll come in pretty close. This is what they used to look like. I'll get my glove off, shake you guys to death. And it's not gonna work. Anyway, that's what it used to look like. I don't know if I'm aiming in the right spot. This one here we got prepped up, nice cleaned up, ready to weld the new piece on. Here we got them placed in there. There. So we'll get them tacked in there, then take the bucket off, get her welded up. Same side on the other side here. Got our lead, got our suitcase welder. Absolutely love that thing. Flux core in there. 718. Probably not the right stuff. I should stick weld it, but it's what we like. It's what we do. Well, we got her welded up. Not the most beautiful thing, but it'll work. Do a little touch-up grinding and probably give it some paint. Yes, I put some gloves on the rams so we didn't burn them. Definitely want to protect them so you don't get a spark on the chrome and it fries the chrome, and then you start leaking hydraulic fluid every time that spot crosses the seal. Eventually tear the seal, so got to keep those protected. Anyway, we'll check it in a bit. Well, there you go. Got a fresh new coat of paint on it. Looks good as new. It's amazing what a little paint will do. Anyway, it's hard to see. Don't got much room to get back. Yeah, there she is. Now for the moment of truth. Let's step on this fresh new paint here. We scar it up. Cat loaders locked me out. I was not asking for a code. Hand it off. I have my car now. I'll do this one-handed. We'll give her a shot. See if it'll hook up. The old lockaroo. Sit there and watch the ram. Ram's all the way out. Pick it up. Always double check your pins. You never want it to pin rooms right there. Right there. Anyway, they're down and out. It's fitting good and tight. So stop worrying about it falling off on somebody. The other attachments aren't quite wore out as this bucket, so we'll have to see if it'll fit fit the other ones. Might have to do a little grinding, like I said earlier, to thin it out, thin the metal out. But anyway, catch you on the next video.
What's up with it?